Hi, this is Jeanette White for ExpertVillage and Piper's Quilts and Comforts, located in Salt Lake City, Utah in Sugar House. Today we're going to be talking about how to pick a class. Learning this skill can be really overwhelming. There are so many things to choose from, and you a lot of times don't even know where to begin. The best thing to do is go into a store that's close to you and look around, and if you see things that really are of interest to you, things that make you happy, that you would really like to learn to sew, or that you pique your interest for a class, then that's a good beginning point. If you do find that, then ask who is teaching the class, and did they do the sample that you're looking at, and is there a kit available? Then ask to see their quilting classroom, and ask if you have to bring a sewing machine. It's really important that you find out before you take the class, so that when you get into the class you're not disappointed or disillusioned or overwhelmed. If you ask who the teacher is and if you can meet her ahead of time, then that's a really good idea. It's important that you get into a class that fits with your expectations and your skill levels. We have a lot of classes here at Piper's, and if you have any questions, be sure and let us know. Thank you.